Hi brothers, if you're in the UK and looking for really big welcome bonuses, but without the feeling that you're being sold a beautiful banner instead of a normal product, this list is exactly for you. Each one has its own strong sides. I've simply gathered 5 platforms where the welcome looks maximum convincing for a UK audience, both in numbers and in the logic of the start. I'll be honest from myself, I like it when a big welcome is space for a normal test, not pressure in the style of wager everything right now. So here will be options where the numbers are big, but the start itself looks more adequate, and so you don't run into fakes, copies or mirrors. The links are in the description and the pinned comment. Let's go. Spinsbro. Here the entry is pretty clear, 520% up to £2,120 plus 1,000 free spins. Spinsbro in this list sounds very loud exactly because of the volume of free spins. This is the case when the welcome gives you normal time and space to check different slots, different providers, and understand whether you feel comfortable on the platform overall. I like that at the start you quickly navigate the menu. The lobby reads well, navigation works, and on mobile it holds stable. If you want to take this volume the right way, enter through the links in the description and the pinned comment, register, make your first deposit, and activate the welcome. Then calmly split the play into a few sessions. That's how this package really feels strong. OnLuck. The strength here is that the welcome is not one, but several start scenarios. First deposit bonus, 120% up to £3,000 plus 100 free spins. And if you want to make the entry more interesting and fatter, there is Mega First Deposit Bonus, 120% plus 150 free spins. And the cherry on top is Big Overall Package, 285% up to £9,000 plus 225 free spins. OnLuck looks like an option for those who love flexibility, want a neat start, take the basic format, want a more aggressive boost, go into the bigger package, and by interface feel it's easier to breathe here too. Less extra noise on entry, more control. If you switch slots with other game formats, this start style is often felt as more comfortable. To take the needed format the right way, enter through the links in the description and the pinned comment, register, make a deposit, and only then choose which welcome gives you the best tempo. 1 red. Here the bonus is 200% up to £7,760 plus 100 free spins. 1 red in this list is about a more serious, solid bonus in pounds. This is a good option if it's important for you not only to get free spins for testing slots, but also to have a noticeable zapass on the upper bonus limit. The presentation here is more restrained, without extra decorative stuff, and this can fit those who love adult classics without dances with a tambourine. If you want to check exactly the power of this start, enter through the links in the description and the pinned comment, activate the welcome after registration, make your first deposit, and start playing to the maximum. Loki Casino. Strong start package, 200% up to €9,300 plus 100 free spins. Yes, the currency here is euro, but if you look at the scale of the start package, it looks very powerful. And this is also an option for those who care not only about the bonus, but also atmosphere, a brighter gambling vibe, a different lobby mood, a sense of platform character. This can be a strong decision if you want to step away from standard identical platforms, to not run into a clone. The links are in the description and the pinned comment. Registration, deposit, welcome activation, and only then you see whether this style works for you. Betzino. Offer 200% on your first deposit. Betzino is the most straightforward welcome of these 5, without multi-level architecture and without excessive show. This is the format people often take as a calm working start. Came in, activated the bonus, checked slots, looked at the basic sections, and you don't feel the site overloads you. If you want a simple and quick option without extra math, register through the links in the description and the pinned comment, make your first deposit, and take this welcome as a basic option. So if you need exactly the biggest welcome bonuses for the UK, these 5 platforms look the most convincing by starting numbers and entry logic. Spinsbro, OnLuck, 1 red, Loki Casino, Betzino. I like to look at this not as who gives more, but as 3 different start styles. First style, when you want maximum free spins and wide slot testing, that's Spinsbro. Second style, when you want a flexible welcome with different start scenarios and a softer presentation, that's OnLuck. Third style, when you care about a high upper bonus limit for a more serious deposit and a more restrained adult format, that's 1 red and Loki Casino, each with its own mood. And Betzino closes the need for a simple straight start without extra complexity. And the main thing I really want to deliver, a big welcome is not magic, but a tool. It works best when you deposit consciously and read the basic terms. So choose 1 to 2 platforms for your style, enter only through the links in the description and the pinned comment, activate the welcome, check slots and other game formats, and play where you liked it the most.